You can see when Nash bends over, he got that absolute dump truck. Work it, Nash! Oh, you're getting so many Bitcoins for this.
Bitcoin? You like break my... Is it recording? Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to...
Ready, go.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Chills. Give him chills here. We're going to be taking a look at building a PC today for my best friend. If you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you. I want to encourage you, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button. Would love to have you around the channel more often. Today's PC is going to be awesome. It's around a budget of $1,000 to $1,200. We were able to find most of these items on sale on Facebook Marketplace, which was awesome. Also, we bought some stuff on Black Friday, so it's items from all over the place. If you want any of these items are in the video, they'll be all in the description. But yeah, without further ado, let me introduce you to all the parts that we're going to be...
Oh yeah!
For the CPU, we're going to be using the Ryzen 3700X. This is an 8-core processor. It comes with the Wraith Prism RGB built-in fan and cooler at the same time. So this should do really good for gaming and for streaming or content creating. For the motherboard, we're going to be using a SteelSeries B100.
I give my life for Pakistan.
For the motherboard, we're going to be using a
We're just going to use the B-movie script for the motherboard. That's what we're doing.
For the motherboard, we're going to be using a SteelSeries B450. This should work with our Ryzen CPU real quick. It does come with two M.2 slots, one here and one here, one with a shield as well, so that should be awesome. 4 DDR slots with 16 gigs capable each. So yeah, this is a great motherboard for what we need it to be. For storage, we're going to be using the Intel M.2 1TB. This should be plenty for copying files, installing software, and everything that you need for storage speed-wise. For our power supply, we're going to be using a Corsair CX650F. This is the white edition that comes with RGB, and it's fully modular, so we should have really good cable management as well. For the RAM, we're going to be using the Trident Z RGB sticks. This is a 16 gig RAM kit. It comes at a speed of 32 megahertz. For the case, we're going to be using the Corsair IQ 220T RGB case. This comes with 3 RGB fans pre-installed, so that should be awesome. And then this should work directly out of the box with the IQ software. This case has really cool airflow because it has 2 open holes on the side. The top of the case is fully open with a magnetic mesh on it, and there's some airflow there from the back as well. So we should have really good airflow in this case. And the best part, we're going to be using a 3060 Ti that we were able to get our hands on in a really lucky moment off of Best Buy. This is the 3060 Ti, 8 gigs of VRAM. This baby should pump 100 to a... This baby's pumping. This graphic card should be able to pump 100 to 140 frames per second easily in any game. I mean, I'll pull it up. All the way, see this corner?
Yeah.
Drop it in.
Just drop it. Really?
There you go. So you're gonna have one hook here. See, I just did that right there.
Right.
A lot of people complain about it because it has so many connections. Okay, you got an SSD.
SSD.
Oh my gosh.
Good.
And
Get on the center.
you know, it looks so sexy up there. All RAM, you just loosen that one. So I would recommend it personally, because I have 32. And
Hey, ready?
you just like flip it. That's not going in the video. You already opened this?
But I'm just like, you always want to
Give me a module right now. Okay, case. Cool. Alright, so we got all of our power needed. I don't.
Oh my goodness.
Ready? One, goes it.
Right. And then I just tap. Well,
Yeah, go in.
okay.
Now we're gonna put all the screws in.
No. There you
Under.
go. I think that. I'll call you.
It's really annoying.
Can I just run the white one to here?
No, you can't. That's what I was trying to tell you. These are different connections.
Like it doesn't have an adapter.
Alright guys, so we just finished the build. Moment of truth. The owner of this PC will turn it on as a privilege.
Well, one of the fans is on.
Yeah. Let's see what happens.
Oh, there
All
we
of them
go.
are on.
Okay.
There we go.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
It's beautiful.
That's beautiful.
It's so beautiful.
Oh, it does look really
I
good.
love it.
All right, guys, so as you can see, the PC is now on. It is working, which is awesome. We were a little bit afraid that we're gonna have to do a BIOS update because this motherboard we bought used, so we weren't sure if it's gonna work with Ryzen 3 right out of the box, but we are in Windows, so we're gonna go ahead and install Windows real quick and let's boot it up. Are we good? Is it focused?
Focus. Zoom in more on your mustache.
No, just stop it. I will rebuild your PC and throw it away.
Wait, rebuild it and throw it away.
All right, guys, thank you much. All right, guys, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you want to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, I would really appreciate that. Also, all the links for all the items we built will be in the description, so if you're interested in anything we put in this PC, go ahead and do that. If you have any questions, any comments, or any critiques, also go put those in the comments as well. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and you have a great day. Bye.